Hi guys, this is the story of my YouTube journey so far.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Udokajane. I'm a Texas content creator based in Dallas, Texas, guys. So today I got a new background. This is about 3 a.m. and I just want to hurry up and go to bed. So I don't want to relax too much. I just want to come out and quickly say this okay, guys. I know it's long overdue. Like I'm supposed to have done this long ago, like long time ago. But because of one thing here and there, I've been really busy, guys. Honestly speaking, YouTube isn't the only thing I do. So I still have life outside YouTube, and I've been really busy in dealing with life outside YouTube. So today I found the time to come out here and say this. Yeah, guys. We finally monetized. We've been monetized since February 2021. Can you imagine? And this is September, and I'm coming out here to say it. I believe by now some of you that have been following me for some time, I noticed that I have ads on my channel. Now, guys, it's because we are monetized. You'll be like, oh my god, look at this small channel. This small channel that doesn't have up to plenty views and all of that have ads. Okay, I'm just gonna give you guys like the informations you will need to help your channels to be monetized just like mine, especially if you're a new growing YouTuber. If you're about or less than 1,000 subscribers, you have to get up to 1,000 subscribers. So if you're less than 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time, obviously, guys, this is the information you need. I'm going to tell you what I did that helped my channel to get to this point. I'm not on your level. Okay, let's start. So I used to have a YouTube channel. I started my YouTube 2017, but honestly speaking, guys, I wasn't serious. Like I was the most unserious YouTuber. I didn't even know what I was doing on YouTube. I didn't know what AdSense was on YouTube. I knew what AdSense was, but I didn't know how to incorporate it to YouTube. I used to have a blog. I was blogging before I started YouTube. So and my blog was already monetized. So when I started YouTube, I thought it was just do some technical work on your YouTube and everything would just sync. I didn't know I had so much work to do waiting for me on YouTube. So when I started my YouTube, I didn't know what I was doing as at then. I just knew I was just doing some nonsense on YouTube then, linking my AdSense to my YouTube. So far, I think I made a lot of mistakes. I used copyright videos. I did so many bullshit I can't remember, guys. But at the end of the day, I think YouTube disabled my AdSense on my YouTube. I think something silly was happening there. I can't remember, but I knew something that wasn't right was happening on my YouTube channel. But you know what, I kept going because I didn't understand the concept of what I was doing. I didn't understand it at all. I was using every song, any new song, I'll just put it on my YouTube videos, I'll be like, yeah, you're doing it, girl. I didn't know that I was destroying my YouTube channel. So sometime around, I kept uploading videos though, and at some point I'm like, you know what, I don't care if I'm monetized, I just want to keep uploading videos. So sometime around 2020, when we were all home for the COVID-19 lockdown, that was when I went back to my YouTube again, and I started going through my YouTube. I started watching YouTube videos, and I noticed people were talking about 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. I'm like, I don't understand that. What is 4,000 watch hours? What is 1,000 subscribers? I don't understand it, honestly. So I went on my earning area on YouTube, then I clicked on it and it said not elite, no, it said disabled. I'm like, what is disabled? I've never had an AdSense here, I've never been monetized, so why are they disabling my YouTube, whatever, why are they disabling? I didn't understand it, honestly. So I noticed that some people said when you go on your earning section, you're going to see something, like you're going to see it counting. You know how the thing is going to keep counting for your 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. So I noticed people talking about it. So that I have never seen before, guys. I have never seen it before. I think it was just because I wasn't paying attention to it or something, but I never saw whatever that was counting to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. I never noticed it. So I had to go back on YouTube, and I'm like, oh my god, what do I do so I can never be monetized? You know, I was just so worried about the YouTube. I'm like, I don't want to keep wasting my time here. Yeah, people be like, it's not all about the money, but guys, you cannot be working and not making money off what you enjoy doing. That's not fair, to be honest. So the thing I did was to, you know, I just made up my mind to close that YouTube account entirely. Then I had about 119 subscribers on that YouTube. You can imagine, 119. YouTube channel I started since 2017 to 2020. 3 years I've only gained 160 subscribers. Guys, you can imagine how unserious I was. Oh my god. And I'm like, you know what, UD, just close up this account and start a new YouTube afresh so that you know what you're doing and monitor whatever you have gone wrong and correct your mistakes. It was a very difficult decision for me to make, but you know what, I did it anyways. So between May and June of 2020, I closed up my old YouTube video and downloaded all the videos out there, deleted the account, and opened a new YouTube account. Then I uploaded all my old videos except the ones with copyright songs. I think I muted the copyright songs. I don't know, but I know I should did something to those areas that had the copyright songs. So I uploaded the videos back on YouTube and started YouTube afresh. Like literally, I started YouTube about a year ago, so she was around May or June 2020. And I'm like, okay, you know what? We have to get to 1,000 subscribers and we have to be monetized in less than 1 year. Guys, I took that upon myself and I put in so much work. So I closed up that account and started a new YouTube, and I just started making videos. I was uploading about maybe like 3 times a week because we were on lockdown. I kept uploading videos and I didn't stop sharing on the social media. I shared mostly on Facebook because I have a lot of followers on Facebook. I kept sharing on Instagram. I was all over Twitter. I was all over. I kept sharing my YouTube channel, and even on Twitter. When I go on Twitter, I follow YouTube on Twitter, so YouTube used to ask which YouTuber do you think the world should know, something like that. I always mention myself, put my YouTube channel link. So guys, God did it for me. God did it. I kept getting views and subscriber counts. I don't know what happened, but between June of 2020 and February of 2021, I got over 1,000 subscribers, and I met the 4,000 watch hours. Guys, can you imagine? I was shocked, you know. It was just so surreal because I just didn't know what's going to happen for me. I wanted it so bad. I'm like, God, I want this. I have been on YouTube. I have been blogging. I have never earned money. The money I was looking for to cashing out on my AdSense blog, some hackers in Nigeria hacked my AdSense and took that money. I was saving up that money in my AdSense account because I'm like, okay, I don't need this money. Let me just leave it out here and save it so that it's going to keep racking up. But somehow, some Nigerian hackers hacked into that AdSense and took that money from that AdSense. I don't know how they did it. So I'm like, I've been blogging since 2014 and I'm on YouTube. I want to make money off Google. I have to get money because I've put in so much on YouTube. I put in so much on my blog. I've bought so many equipments, guys. So I need to cash out, and it happened. February of 2021, my YouTube was monetized, and it was one of the best things that happened to me, honestly speaking. Because in all honesty, there's no point putting out videos out there all the time without you seeing results. There's no point doing all of those things. When your account is monetized, you'll be more encouraged to make videos. You want to post videos. The one is not monetized, man, you don't even have the zeal to do anything, honestly speaking. So it felt really good to get to that point. Then coming to my verification pin getting to me, it took a little bit of time because when I put in my address for them to send me the verification pin, I did not put my apartment number. So obviously Google sent this thing to me, but it didn't get to me. It wasn't delivered to me. I think probably the post office had it and trashed it because they didn't know the apartment number to drop it at. So I went back on Google because I was waiting for it. So I went back there. I'm like, I haven't gotten this. I'm supposed to have gotten this. Of course, I know about it because I've had AdSense before. So I went on Google again. I updated my address and put my apartment number. In less than a week, this showed up in my mailbox. I was so excited. If you follow me on Instagram, I'm sure you must have seen the period where I posted this on my story. And if you're not following me on Instagram, it's Udokajane_. I'm going to put it up there for you guys to see. What else I have to tell you guys? Guys, I'm just so excited. Okay, so speaking about YouTube growth and all of that, I'm still a growing channel. I haven't really gotten up there, but I believe I'm going to be up there someday, just like every other people I admire on YouTube, Jackie and Patricia Bright and all of these big channels. I believe that I'm going to get there because I just believe in hard work, dedication, consistency, because that's what actually helps me to get monetized. I never stop telling people about my channel. Like, I used to meet random people, because most times whenever I'm vlogging, I go with my camera. So people are like, oh, are you a vlogger? You vlog? I'm like, yeah, I vlog. So they're like, okay, what's your YouTube channel name? I don't hesitate. I put out my YouTube out there. So if you want your channel to get monetized, put out your YouTube out there. Advertise yourself shamelessly. Don't hold anything back. Don't hold anything back. Put it out there. Tell everybody who cares to listen. Put it on YouTube, put it on Instagram. Just put it out there. Don't hold nothing back, especially on Facebook. Put it on Facebook. Tell everybody. Advertise shamelessly. Share. Even when you share your post on Facebook, you feel like people have seen this post, after a couple days, post it again. Just put it up there. Put it on your story. You know, people like to watch story a lot. Put it on your story. Just put yourself out there if you want your channel to be monetized. You cannot hold yourself back. You cannot be in the box and expect somebody to see your channel. You cannot be hiding somewhere and expect somebody to see your channel. You have to put yourself out there like, hey, look at me, I'm on YouTube. We don't have to hold anything back. We have to put ourselves out there because this is what we signed up for, right? So come on, embrace it. Take care of it. Pamper it. Show yourself out there. Put everything you have into it and you're going to see results. Okay guys, I hope this, helped somebody out there. I hope this motivated somebody. Don't lose hope. UD started her channel over again and look at where I am right now. I know some people be like, she's less than 2,000 subscribers and she doesn't even have that much view. I'm moving, like I'm going up there. I believe I'm going to get up there. Okay, so that's it guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, you better subscribe because my content is back to back. I'm not holding back. I'm giving it to you guys. I'm putting out everything guys. So subscribe to this channel, turn on your notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy my content. Okay, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.